Well, hello there. I'm Jordi from Jordinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we are making world peace cookies. So let's start.
In a bowl, add the soft butter and mix until it falls apart. Add the caster sugar and brown sugar. Mix this until it's very creamy. Add the salt and vanilla extract. Add the flour, baking powder and cocoa powder. I tried mixing it with a spatula, but that didn't work, so I used my hands instead. When it has come together, put the dough in some plastic wrap and shape into a log-sized shape of around 1.5 inches or 4 centimeters thick. Let this cool in the fridge or freezer. When it has cooled, cut 1/2 inch or 1 centimeter thick pieces and put them on a baking tray. The cookies will spread out, so make sure you give them enough space. Bake in a 160-degree oven for 12 minutes. Sprinkle with some salt while they're still hot and enjoy!
And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos of me. And make sure to let me know down in the comments what you want to see next. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!